Okay everyone, in this video I would like to teach to all of you about how to make a cantilever carport canopy. Okay, I've already prepared for the floor of the carport, and then for the first step I would like to show you about how to make a basic module of about a cantilever canopy of the carport. First of all, you have to make a rectangle in this area. You can make a rectangle, or you can just make vertical rectangle anyway. With the tall, it's around 3000 millimeter, right? Then you can adjust the position so you can see the basic surface, and you can set the height of the cantilever canopy. For the lower roof of the cantilever canopy, you can set the height. It's around maybe you can see by the 2000 millimeter, right? Then you can set the top height about the canopy. It's around 900 more anyway. Okay, and after that you can use the line. You can use the line, and you can set this node, and then you can set the position, and after that you can offset it. You can select the both of diagonal line, and then you can offset it outside so you can see about it. And you can just modify this canopy with a more representative shape anyway, so you can see by the shape, and you can erase some unnecessary line, and then you can modify it by using line again, and then you can just set in this position. Okay, just erase it, then you can push it to the right side anyway. You can set the value of width of the column width around 200 millimeter, right? Then you have make it group, and then you can just delete some guideline object anyway. Just erase it, and you can move to the appropriate position anyway. Then you can right click and make it component and just create it, and then you can move and just press Ctrl, and you can position on the end position. You can type word 3/ and press enter, right? And after that you can make a connection with the beam connection. You can use a rectangle. This is just for schematic structure anyway. For the correct structure, correct profile, or more detailed structure, you have to see about the standard. Okay, you have to push it to the another side. You have to push it to the another cantilever and just make it group, and you can just position. You can adjust this position to the another position, right? Then you can just select for this end of position, and just I'm sorry, you have to make it component for the first. You can make it component and just create it, and you can move, and then you can press Ctrl and just paste in this area. I'm sorry, it's too far. You can make the correct position anyway. You can make the correct position in this area. You can see about the connection. Just click, and then you can set the how much the beam is it. Maybe you can type 7/ and press enter, then you can see about it. And after that you can make a roof. You can make a roof with a rectangle. You can make a roof with a rectangle, something like this. Then you can adjust the scale You can adjust the scale anyway. You can adjust the scale, and you can set the width of the roof as logic as possible anyway. So you can adjust this roof again, so you can then you can select this roof material, right? Then you can give it with stucco material in every cantilever and column right here. So, and then you can set the brightness of this column, right? And after that you can also adjust the beam material right here. You can adjust the beam material with this method, so you can see about the cantilever carport material, cantilever carport. Okay, and then you can make component. You can assign a component in this area, and then you can rotate it with 90-degree rotation, and just move it to the appropriate position about it. Okay, so you can see about the yes, so it look like more representative. And I hope with this video all of you have a lot of advantage and benefit, and wait for my next video. Thank you.